marry me? Hoy, kantahan naman tayo. Tama na yan. Ano ba yan?
May saling pa.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan?
Spider.
Sir? It's a trash bag XL si Papa mo and papaya. And magdadala tayo ulit ng bird's nest sa kanya. At may nagpadala sa amin ng avocado and mangga. Dadalhin po namin kay Mr. B. I love you. Mahal muna kami ni Katie. Babay kami ng mga kailangan. Love you. Kiss me. Can you say it again? I love you, Mom. What's your favorite? Bubblegum? Yeah. Can I have one? One lang? Share tayo. Go! We're here at the grocery. Oh, you'll get papaya. Get papaya, baby. Get the papaya. What's that, baby? Ang dami, anak. Anak, isa lang muna, please. Isa lang. One lang muna. One lang. Price to. One lang muna. See? Anak, galing lang tayo ng grocery. Tama na yung bili mo. Okay. Sorry na, malas mo yung takpa. Masarap din to. Try. Ano binibili? Same naman tayo, ah. Yes. Oh. Ayun, oh. XL na trash bag. Or two. Wala ng tubig ka. Hindi ka nawala. Yes po. Love you. I love you. Ay, may tayo food. Magkano ate? 750 po. Dalawang peso, isang bangus. Tsaka isang additional na. Tsaka kangkok. Yes. Okay, I'm a princess. That's not my name. Wait lang, can I see? Kaya? Bigat. It's mabigat, but kaya mo yan. And we're back, Katie. Hatid na naman po kami ng food. And mga kung anik-anik. Deliver? Delivery? The bird's nest. Ano yan?
Ano?
Bago? Dead hair don't care. Papakita talaga. Tititikman ko lang kasi parang nakamasarap. Ay, binili kita ng vitamin C, oh.
I saw. Thank
Look at this. Oh. Chirin. Alam mo yung naglalaman na tumukurang sa ako sa kumain. Mag-arnica ka na, Chris, para matikman mo na to. Sarap! Sobrang sarap! Grabe! Healthy pa. It's corn.
May saling pa.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan?
Spider.
So, hello mga my loves. Good luck sa aking hair. So, you know, as you can see, it's dry. Di tayo nagplansya ng buhok. So, ayan. Nakakatamad kasi magplansya talaga. Just, di ba pwedeng pagkagising maganda na yung buhok? Di ba? Kanta muna tayo dito mga my loves. Then you are far away and it's someone else. Though I know it's just a dream, told myself I'll always stay the same. Papa, I just want you to remember, even if it takes forever, I will wait until. Mahal, Papa, Mama, bakit nagposes? Alam mo, ito ng boses ko, Chris.
Say that.
Eh, Mama, you're not practicing.
Mana ka dyan.
Always. Hug my Papa first.
Mana boses mo.
Hug my Papa. Papa first. Hug my Papa. I want sa AI yan po eh. Hug Papa. Oh, when I want you to hug my Papa first. I'm crying. Saan yahan? Saan? Dito, dito.
Why are you crying like that? Yan.
Tabi kayo sa bed. Ay, it's too much na yan. Ang dami mo nang sinasabi. Isa-isa lang. Hug mama. Hug mama lang. Hug na lang. Hug naman. Hug lang. Hug. Hug. Gusto Papa here. Tumal siya, bad na yan. Say, Papa, say, sorry. Say to Mama, will you marry me? Hoy, kantahan naman tayo, tama na yan. Ano ba yan? Kanta tayo sa baba.
Tripan mo kami.
Kaya nga, kanta tayo sa baba. Tama yan. Wish, ano siya gawin? Take me by the hand and wish. Lagi kong package, I hold in my hand. I've got it together. They call me the girl who knows just what to say to me. Feel like stumble and fall, run into the wall. Out of control, just another fool. It's coming tonight, and it trembles like my heart. I'm living the life I can feel you want me to.
Alam ko to.
And if the stars should fall,
My sister used to
then
sing
maybe it's what we should do. Sana ay huwag nang magising. Ba't tumatawa ka, anak? Ba't happy? Paano daw sa music? Go, Kingston. Go, baby.
Kasi nito na. Antayin natin.
See the lions in the morning, the ball out in the garden, the sea, wicked quiet. Voice lesson 101 with Mr. B. Go.
And
Diba guys, I get lost?
I get lost
I get lost. Alin?
in your eyes.
In your eyes. Natatawa ako. I get lost in your eyes.
And it,
Ano? And ano?
and it.
And ano?
You have to put that in your mixed voice. And it's so
My spirit. Ayan, go. I get lost.
I get lost.
I get lost.
I Baba naman.
I get lost.
Yan.
And I feel... Ano? Ang hirap naman, please.
And I feel. So and I is in the mix. So
And I feel... And
how do
I...
you feel?
And I feel...
Feel.
And I feel...
My spirit's right.
My spirit rise.
Yan. Kaya.
And I feel... My spirit rise.
Mhm.
Ganun ba yun?
Yes.
Tapos hindi nakuha. I get lost in your eyes, and I feel my spirit rise. Mali. Tama? And then, isn't this what you're romance? Naubo siyang boses. Isn't this what's called romance? Mali.
What's called romance? Romance. Yan lang.
Isn't the I get me anytime.
Yan.
Isn't this what's called romance? And now I know. 'Cause when I'm lost, I can't let go. Right, and so run away.
O, diba?
Isn't it love that I am in?
Pwede mo pa rin.
I get me anything. Isn't it what's romance? And now I know I'm what I'm heading for.
What's ito?
You can take me to the sky. Parang kaya ko na kayo, please. Parang kailangan ko na ng pampadulas para makapag-voice lesson na. Parang sina-challenge ako ng kantang to. Sandali, hindi pwede yan. Ano, pampadulas, yung tayong tubig dito for my voice lesson, one-on-one. Grabe. Okay, dahil nakainom na tayo ng isa, ilaban na natin to. I get lost in your eyes, and I feel told me you cared. We had a once in a lifetime, but I just couldn't see until it was gone. A second once in a lifetime, baby. Goodbye, Mr. B. Bye, Mr. B.
Bye-bye.
Let's go. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Thank you.
Welcome.